Hello friends, today let's look into AU Small Finance Bank, one of India's fastest growing new age banks focused on retail customers, loans, and saving products in the small banking space. Let's start with revenue. 10 years ago, AU Bank earned 611 crores in revenue. This year, they have reached 16,673 crores. That is an outstanding 37% growth per year for a decade, and even faster in recent years, 39% per year over 3 years, and a huge 52% jump just last year. This is clearly a high growth company, revenue moving up every year at lightning speed. Let's look at interest and expenses. Like all banks, interest cost is the biggest expense, 8,537 crores this year. Other operating expenses for staff, branches, technology, 8,065 crores. Employee cost is about 20% of expenses, higher than old banks as new branches open fast. Other operating costs are also a big chunk at 16 to 25% of expenses. Cost growth is strong, but the bank keeps it in check to maintain healthy margins. Financing profit is 70 crores this year. Profit before tax is very strong at 2,898 crores. Net profit delivered 2,184 crores this year, which is up from just 92 crores a decade ago, equal to 31% profit growth CAGR. EPS rose from 10.68 rupees to 29.34 rupees in 10 years, rewarding loyal investors. Other income skyrocketed this year to 2,828 crores. Depreciation is rising as they scale, but is a small fraction. Return on equity is 14.2% this year, good for a new bank with room for more as scale builds. Return on capital employed is 8.4%, lower as banks are capital heavy but trending up. Debt to equity is high at 7.92, which is expected for banks as they use deposits to make loans and earn a spread. Dividend payout is small, up to 6% in recent years, 0.14% yield. Most profits are reinvested for rapid expansion. So, AU Small Finance Bank shows high and steady growth. Every year, revenue and profits move up sharply with no wild swings as the bank wins new customers and grows its branch network fast across India. So, overall, AU Small Finance Bank is a classic new age steady compounder. Fast, consistent growth, rising profits, and improving returns on equity. Strategy is to tap into India's huge unbanked population, bring modern banking to new towns, and grow rapidly while keeping cost in check. Not much dividend now, but the real story is compounding and scale. If you want a fast growing young Indian bank for the long term, AU is a top contender. If this breakdown helped, subscribe to Wealth Growth Club and tell me which company to cover next.